Most people get this wrong. They assume family location apps are just about tracking kids, but GeoZilla offers a lot more than that. Today, they'll give you an honest review so you know if it's right for your family. GeoZilla is a family locator app that helps you see the real-time location of family members, share places, and even send notifications when someone arrives or leaves a location. It works on both Android and iOS, and you can connect multiple family members. One of the biggest benefits is safety. You can instantly check if a child arrived at school or a family member reached their destination safely. Most people underestimate how much peace of mind this feature provides, especially for busy parents. GeoZilla also includes location history, so you can see where family members have been over the past few days. This is useful for planning or ensuring everyone sticks to schedules. The surprising truth is that GeoZilla also has activity tracking features like step counts and health data, which can be a fun bonus for families who want to stay active together. On the downside, full features require a premium subscription. However, the free version covers basic tracking and notifications, which may be enough for many users. Battery usage is another thing to watch. Continuous GPS tracking can drain phones faster than usual. In conclusion, GeoZilla is ideal for families looking for a reliable, user-friendly location tracking app. It offers safety, convenience, and even some lifestyle features to keep everyone connected. Subscribe for more honest app reviews to help you choose tools that really work for your family.